An icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ada. Go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so guys, I'm trying something new today. Hopefully it turns out okay. So y'all, I will be trying to color my eyebrows today. Yeah, I'm gonna try that because I see so many girls doing it with color hair and they color like lace fronts, color little short hair. I'm like, oh, let me try this out and see. So yeah, y'all, I'm going to attempt to do it. I'm not bleaching it, I'm not dyeing or nothing like that. I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette and hopefully it turns out okay. So this will be my first time doing this, so yeah. But anyway, I hope everyone is having a great day today. I hope everyone is on the positivity. Like you always should be, guys. Positive vibes all the time. You already know. Period. So guys, oh yeah, y'all already know I'm finna insert a video.
Ain't nobody said it was gonna be easy, but it'll get easy when you learn how to love yourself. What I do is I tell you, say, look, this thing you doing right here, that's gonna cause a problem. You need to fix that, because if we're gonna be friends, we're gonna be cool, you gotta fix that. And if you don't, we're gonna have an issue. If you see somebody fix it or they even trying to fix it, that's somebody that care. Keep them people around. That's a leaf that's trying to grow up and be something else. You understand? But if you tell somebody that what you're doing is hurting me and I need you to stop it, and they keep doing it, they don't care. Move on. Let them go. No matter how much it hurt, let them go. It'll get easier. I promise you, every day it'll get easier and easier and easier. You just got to make it through.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I know I always do enjoy TikTok videos all the time. So, okay. But anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so I'm leaning more to using this palette. I got it from Walmart. I don't think I used this palette yet. Have I? Oh, yes I have. Yes I have. I used it on that, on this picture. So yeah, it turned out good. So I think this orange kind of goes. Wait, is this orange? Okay, this orange kind of go with my hair, I guess. Let me see. Let me look at my other palette. Yeah, that's the only orange we're gonna have to work with today. So yeah, we're gonna work with this orange today. It looks yellow, but so we're gonna work with that today. So I looked at this girl doing it on YouTube. She had a palette and an edge brush. So let's see if I got one of these somewhere. Okay, so this is the brush. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, I saw one girl, she just used the eyeshadow and just went ahead like this. But I saw another girl, she put concealer on them to make it pop more. So we're gonna do it with the concealer. So I think I'm gonna use this one. I always use the Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer, the medium peach. So I'm gonna use this. Y'all, I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, okay? I'm doing this because I've never done this before. Ooh. And if it turn out good, ooh. Okay. And if it turns out good, I'll put on a full face of makeup. Even though it's late in the afternoon, I don't care. I don't care, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Get close up to you guys. Jesus. Okay, hey y'all. Let's try this out. Okay, so this is how I look right now. It just look orange like around the side. I don't know. I don't know if my eyebrow is too dark or wet. But, I don't know. Let me just clean it up and see how I look after that. Right now, I don't know. But let's just clean it up and see. Okay, I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product, how I look. I'm gonna put makeup on and everything, so hi guys, I'm back. So I got a little extra with it, so but yeah, I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. But yeah, y'all, I think I like it. It's cute. Look out. It's cute, girl. I gotta get cute with it. But yeah, y'all. So this is what I wanted to show y'all today. So yeah. 10 out of 10. I will be using this. So. But yeah, all I used was my eyeshadow palette. Let me show y'all one more time. This eyeshadow palette I got right from Walmart. It's probably like $8 or something. A little, ooh, I keep dropping stuff. A little edge brush. My concealer. And that was it. And boom. Boom, baby. But yeah, y'all, it look good. I look cute. But yeah. I tried it out and I really like it. I really like it. Period. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching my video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this because this is something new to me as well. So yeah, but anyway, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join me. Watch what I have next, y'all. Watch what I have next. Okay, bye y'all, love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.